Crash Course, Montana State, USA. Geolocation and Capital. Montana, located in the northwestern region of the United States, is known for its stunning landscapes, including the Rocky Mountains and expansive prairies. It shares borders with Idaho, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Canada. The capital of Montana is Helena. Population and economy. Montana has a population of over 1 million people, making it one of the least densely populated states in the country. The state's economy is diverse, with industries such as agriculture, mining, tourism, manufacturing, and technology contributing significantly. Montana is renowned for its natural resources, including coal, oil, gas, timber, and minerals. Education. Montana is home to several reputable educational institutions, including the University of Montana and Montana State University. These universities offer a wide range of academic programs and contribute to the state's intellectual and research capabilities. Brief history. Montana has a rich history that includes Native American tribes, explorers, fur trappers, and settlers. The area was originally inhabited by various Native American tribes, including the Blackfeet, Crow, and Cheyenne. In the early 19th century, explorers Lewis and Clark ventured into the region, followed by fur trappers and traders. Montana became a territory in 1864 and gained statehood in 1889. The state played a significant role in the development of the American West, particularly during the gold rush and mining eras. Cultures and politics. Montana embraces its Western heritage and is known for its cowboy culture, ranching traditions, and outdoor lifestyle. The state has a mix of political ideologies, with a balance between conservative and liberal viewpoints. Montanans value their independence, personal freedoms, and a strong connection to the natural environment. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Battle of Little Bighorn. One of the most significant events in Montana's history is the Battle of Little Bighorn. In 1876, General George Custer and his troops clashed with the Lakota Sioux, Cheyenne, and Arapaho tribes in a battle that resulted in Custer's defeat. The battlefield, now known as the Little Bighorn Battlefield National Monument, preserves the memory of this historic event. 2. Glacier National Park. Located in northern Montana, Glacier National Park is a breathtaking wilderness area that features stunning glaciers, alpine meadows, and pristine lakes. It is known for its scenic drives, hiking trails, and diverse wildlife, including grizzly bears and mountain goats. 3. Yellowstone National Park. Although primarily located in Wyoming, Yellowstone National Park extends into Montana, offering visitors a chance to explore its geothermal wonders, such as the famous Old Faithful Geyser, colorful hot springs, and abundant wildlife. 4. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. Montana is home to the Lewis and Clark Caverns, a fascinating underground limestone cave system. Guided tours take visitors through intricate formations, chambers, and passageways, providing a unique and educational experience. 5. Museum of the Rockies. Located in Bozeman, the Museum of the Rockies is renowned for its extensive collection of dinosaur fossils, including the largest Tyrannosaurus rex specimen ever discovered. The museum also showcases exhibits on the region's natural history, Native American cultures, and Western heritage. 6. Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. Straddling the Montana-Wyoming border, Bighorn Canyon offers stunning views of towering cliffs, deep canyons, and the Bighorn Lake. Visitors can enjoy boating, fishing, hiking, and wildlife observation in this scenic outdoor playground. 7. Grant Coors Ranch National Historic Site. This historic site in Deer Lodge preserves the legacy of the open-range cattle industry in the American West. Visitors can explore the working ranch, participate in guided tours, and learn about the cowboy way of life. 8. Charles M. Russell National Wildlife Refuge. Named after the renowned Western artist, the Charles M. Russell National Wildlife Refuge spans over 1 million acres and provides habitat for a variety of wildlife, including elk, deer, pronghorn, and numerous bird species. It offers opportunities for birdwatching, photography, and outdoor recreation. 9. Montana Historical Society Museum. Located in Helena, the Montana Historical Society Museum showcases the state's history and cultural heritage through exhibits, artifacts, and interactive displays. It provides insights into Montana's Native American tribes, pioneer life, mining history, and the role of women in shaping the state. 10. Big Sky Resort. Known for its world-class skiing and snowboarding, Big Sky Resort offers winter enthusiasts access to extensive slopes, breathtaking mountain views, and a range of outdoor activities. In the summer, visitors can enjoy hiking, mountain biking, and golfing in the scenic surroundings. 11. Flathead Lake. As the largest natural freshwater lake in the western United States, Flathead Lake offers opportunities for boating, fishing, swimming, and water sports. The lake's crystal-clear waters and picturesque shoreline attract visitors year-round. 12. C.M. Russell Museum. Located in Great Falls, the C.M. Russell Museum is dedicated to the art and life of Charles Marion Russell, one of the most celebrated Western artists. The museum houses a vast collection of Russell's paintings, sculptures, and personal artifacts, providing insight into his artistic contributions and the Western frontier. Summarization. Montana, with its majestic mountains, vast prairies, and rich history, offers a captivating journey through the heart of the American West. From the stunning vistas of Glacier National Park to the cultural heritage showcased in museums and historic sites, the state offers diverse experiences for nature lovers, history enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers alike. Montana's unique blend of cultures, independent spirit, and breathtaking landscapes make it a remarkable destination for those seeking an authentic Western experience. Chorus. Montana, land of grandeur and grace, where mountains rise and rivers trace. From the vast plains to the big sky, in Montana's embrace, dreams can fly. Bridge. Glacier's icy peaks, a wilderness untamed. Lewis and Clark's legacy, forever famed. From Yellowstone's geysers to the open range, Montana's beauty knows no change. Chorus. Montana, land of grandeur and grace, where mountains rise and rivers trace. From the vast plains to the big sky, in Montana's embrace, dreams can fly. Outro. In the land of pioneers, a story unfolds, where nature's wonders and history behold. Come, explore Montana's untamed soul, where adventure awaits, making memories whole. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.